Are you ready to transform your life? Today, we're diving deep into the world of a vegan whole food plant-based diet. It's time to unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. First, let's talk about the power of plants. By focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains, you're fueling your body with essential nutrients. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can improve your overall well-being. Next, let's address the misconceptions. Some people believe that a plant-based diet lacks protein. But fear not. Plant-based proteins come from sources like tofu, tempeh, lentils, and quinoa. They're just as delicious and nutritious as their animal-based counterparts. Now, let's explore the benefits. A vegan whole food plant-based diet can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. It can also improve digestion, boost energy levels, and even contribute to weight loss. But how do you get started? Begin by gradually incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. Try swapping out meat for mushrooms in your favorite recipes, or experiment with vibrant and colorful salads to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. Consider taking supplements like vitamin B12 or omega-3s. And don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Finally, let's talk about the impact of a vegan whole food plant-based diet on the environment. By reducing our reliance on animal agriculture, we can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, conserve water, and protect our planet. So, are you ready to embark on a life-changing journey? Embrace the power of plants, transform your health, and make a positive impact on the world around you. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on veganism, health, and sustainable living. Stay tuned for our next video and take the first step towards a vibrant, plant-powered future.